Yeah, what's going on? So today we got a video from Police Watch. Come on, y'all thought y'all was gonna get rid of me that easily? I know YouTube, you know what I'm saying? They suppress the kid, you know what I'm saying? I know that. But it's not YouTube's fault. It's my fault. You know why it's my fault? Because I haven't been giving you guys the content. It's like you gotta feed the machine and they'll bless you back. So anyway, like I said, we got a video from Police Watch, and the title of the video is, "Here's why you shouldn't hire a prostitute with your toddler in the car." So let's get into the video and see what they're talking about.
He agreed to pay her for, and he was going to go inside one of these rooms and receive the job, and he was going to leave your son in the car while it happened.
Watch how this man got caught by an undercover officer trying to solicit oral sex while his toddler was in the car.
You're under arrest. Prostitution.
I'm not even prostitution.
Yeah.
What? I got my son in the car.
I understand. We're going to take care of that.
Can I call my baby mother?
In just a second. We'll call the baby's mother, okay?
I'm not.
Just be with it just a second, okay?
I promise I'm not.
Yeah. I wish that was the truth. I really do.
Please.
How old is he?
Please. Whoa.
Okay. You go with the officer, please. Hello, how are you? Your daddy's just going to go with us and talk for a little bit. I'm going to call your mommy to come pick you up, okay? This is baby's mama. You mind answering that and then just letting her know what's happened? She's going to have to come here to pick him up.
Okay.
We'll have to call DCF.
Do I need to let her know the extent of it, or just say he's just...
She's being arrested, yeah. Okay, the officer's talking to your, I guess your baby's mama now, because she's calling the phone, so. Just so you know, we have to call DCF as well. They have to be notified that we've taken temporary custody of your child.
Oh, please.
This is what happens.
Can I just talk to my baby mother?
Not right now.
It's pretty wild. I haven't seen that before in my career. I've seen mom and daughter prostitute, but I've never seen the
Yeah.
the kid.
I was going to bring it up in the...
Hold on. He's right here. So we have mom right here.
Okay. What's going on? All right, mommy's here. Come here.
All right, can you hold on 1 second for us, man? We just had
gentleman
Yeah.
was arrested for soliciting
How?
a prostitute.
How?
hold on 1
Like,
second, man.
how did he get to who, her, where did they meet? I need the...
Oh, they met at the corner. He met the undercover officer. They talked about having sex for a...
Who, you?
No,
Where is he?
he went to
He
jail.
was taken already. He was taken by the officer. He's out of jail right now.
So he got arrested.
So what was talked about what?
Just 1 second, man. We have he's a junior.
So apparently your son is out
Date of birth is 11/9 of
That's how he
1990.
ended up here. So he's been f***ing lying to me in my face! He's
We're
been
gonna
lying
be
to
getting
me in my
that
face.
right
They
now.
took his fucking dumbass to Sarasota. So guess f***ing what? Not my problem no more.
Hold on 1 second.
T-Roll, figure it out. I'm saying...
Sarasota always got some stuff going on. Like, honestly, yo, right? I got some footage from Sarasota about another incident for, you know, the other channel where we just drop body cam videos and not, you know, not a reaction or whatever. And, yo, to get footage from them, it's so expensive. Like, if you, listen, I'm telling you, please appreciate these different content creators, right, that are, you know, bringing the original body cam footage. If you see anything with Sarasota, Florida on there, just know they paid a hefty ticket to get that footage, boy, because they are not playing. Okay, it's actually crazy. It's really ridiculous the way not other police departments, you know, charged that much. You know what I'm saying? Like, some police departments, you know, they'll charge a little bit, you know, maybe $100, $50, $20. But what Sarasota, Florida is charging that police department, boy, oh boy. Yeah, that's why I ain't even put the footage out yet, because I gotta wait till I get monetized. I need to make my bread back. You hear me? Not from this channel, but from the other channel. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, the thing here is that, you know, do what you gonna do. If you want to buy it, that's on you. You know what I'm saying? If you a man and you want to buy it or whatever, that's on you. If women selling it, that's on them. But when you involve the children with you, listen, that little boy is going to remember this incident. He may seem young and not know what's going on, boom, 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 but it's a traumatic event. Oh, hold on. Hold on, your boy getting a call. Hold on. Hey, I'm gonna call you right back. All right. So, like I was saying, that little boy may seem like, you know, he don't know what's going on, but trust me, any traumatic events, kids remember. You know what I'm saying? So this little boy just watched his father get arrested. He's going to remember that. He's going to remember why he got arrested, right? He's going to remember, you know, all of this. You know what I'm saying? He may not understand it now, right? But when he gets older, he's listening to what the cops are saying and what the mom is saying. And, you know, she's yelling right there, yeah, he got arrested for this and that, whatever. The child may not understand right now what those words necessarily mean and all that stuff, right? But as he gets older and learns more, he's gonna look back at that incident and know exactly what was going on.
Because you don't know what's going on and what I have to do with.
Is in the car, so let's think about him
Hey,
first, okay?
ma'am, real quick. Hey,
Give me a second,
Okay.
please. I can talk. I just need to breathe.
That's
I'm
fine.
out here by myself. I don't have no family. I don't have a license to drive. I just had to get my coworker to come bring me here. I'm trying to understand what's going on because he said to me they were sitting over by the green chairs watching the water. So how did you end up here? Is the point I'm trying to get.
well, and what I'll do is I will tell you everything that happened, all right? But the other thing, we can do whatever we need to in order to get you and your son to wherever they need to go, okay? But I need to take a couple small steps here first, all right?
No problem.
I just need your first name.
What exactly happened was your son was out here asking prostitutes to link for sex to go to Flamingo, and he got caught by the undercover. You understand the fact that that man is not here right now, because we both would have been going to the jail. Because I was taking somebody's gun and I was going to shoot his head. Yes, I was. You do not understand what I'm going through right now.
Jalissa.
I can't calm down, T. I can't.
Hold on 1 second, man.
How? I have.
Oh boy, she is making this a bigger deal than what it got to be, and she need to watch what she's gonna say, because she's gonna implicate herself into something. She's just talking about that she had plans and thoughts to harm this man. Like, she need to get a grip because there's a child involved. And if she get caught up too, that child gonna end up in the system.
Nobody. I cannot drive the car. Shit is in storage. I'm out here with my son.
Jalissa.
With no family.
Jalissa.
So what am I supposed to do?
Jalissa, can you look at me for a second? I can make contact with...
I need contact with him.
Okay, but listen to me. Listen to me.
Because I need to know why.
Okay.
You dragged me from fucking New York to out here to start over.
About him. Jalissa,
How?
listen to me.
I have my son. I'm 2 hours from New York.
But
I have nothing.
The nice thing is...
Nothing.
That I have access to some unique resources, okay, for you and your son. Let's forget about Mr. Rush, and let's worry about you and Jacob right now, okay? Which I will gladly help you out any way that I can.
That's what
all
I
right?
was going to tell you. That
Here's the issue, okay? I'm going to give you... You already know what happened, so we don't need to discuss what happened with him.
No, I
But
need
what
to
we
know
need
what
to do-
happened because I'm trying to understand.
So, okay, do you want me... I need you to stay calm if I'm going to explain it to you, though. All right? Because all I care about right now is that little guy and us remaining calm for him. Because it's scary enough that he saw all these police officers here, Dad going in the back of the car. I don't want to make it any more traumatic for him, okay? So the calmer you can stay for me, the better. Okay. No, you're doing great. I think you're doing great, but I just want you to continue to stay this way for me while I tell you what happened.
I'm sorry. I'm just...
I don't care that you're yelling. It doesn't upset me. I just don't want him to be upset, okay?
And I want to know where you were going to take my fucking son.
Where we were going to
No,
take him?
You came in here to do, where were you going to take my son?
I'm going to tell you, like I said, I'm going to tell you exactly what was going to happen, but I need you to take some deep breaths before I do, okay? He met with an undercover officer, all right? He didn't know, obviously, it was an undercover officer posing as a prostitute, all right? He agreed to pay her for a blowjob, and he was going to go inside one of these rooms and receive the blowjob, and he was going to leave your son in the car while it happened. Okay? Now look at me. This is where I need you to stay calm. Because I know I'd be extremely pissed right now if I was you. Okay? That being said, I can reach out to some resources. I don't know how much time you have paid up at the Cadillac, and we can see if we can get you into some emergency type housing, okay? Okay? Yep, that's fine.
He's right here. He's okay. Talk to me. I'm right here.
Okay.
So, you work with her, correct? Okay, where does she work?
She works at Walgreens at Fruitville and Beneva.
Perfect. Okay. She told me she doesn't have a license to drive,
Correct.
which that's no issue. We can do all the transporting. Or if you have a vehicle.
I do have a vehicle
Okay.
and I have a car seat, but I don't know.
That's right. He has a car seat too.
Okay.
Yeah. But here's what I'm getting at is there are resources for moms and young children in the city.
Yes.
I will reach out and I will do everything right now to get her taken care of.
Okay.
I want to go home.
I
I
know.
want to fly to
Okay,
New York.
listen,
I'm
we can-
calling my mother.
Hey,
Jay,
listen,
Jay,
I can
listen.
listen to me. I can
I know you want to call,
If
but
you-
take 10 seconds to listen.
if you want to go back to New York,
Yes.
we can also work that out, okay? I have resources to get you free transportation with your son back to New York.
Okay.
I need you to trust me though right now, okay?
He took my son.
Yeah. I feel for her, you know what I'm saying? And some people may think that she is overreacting or, you know, and stuff like that. It's a lot to be hit with at one time, you know, that you're not only your man or whoever, you know, whatever he was, your baby daddy, whatever, whether you're together or not, that he is, you know, that you can't satisfy him enough, so he wants to go out and partake in some extracurricular activities, you know what I'm saying? And that may be a bad way to put it, you know, because I don't know, but you know, to think for him to step out, there's something that isn't connecting with them two, you know, sexually. That's why he's stepping out, you know what I'm saying, or whatever. But that's one thing, right? That's one situation to get hit with. And then the next situation is to take the child with you. Why would you put a child in that situation? To even be a part of this or witness any of it or whatever the case may be. If you want to go step out, that whatever, that's on you. You know what I'm saying? Whatever. But to incorporate the child in the situation, that's, and I feel for her. You know what I'm saying? She's like, yo, he was gonna take my child and leave my child while he go and da-da-da. Yeah. That's what some people bring kids in the world and let their kids experience things like this. So it's a sad situation.
But he's gone now.
I see it.
So let's worry about you and your son right now.
Okay.
Okay?
Deep breaths. Where's your drink? Now.
So basically what we can do is we can work on some emergency shelter options for her. We can work on what's called a homeward bound for her. Because as far as I'm concerned, if she's staying in a hotel, has nowhere to go, we can easily articulate
What I
that she's
understood
essentially...
is checked out this morning and was going to be able to check back in today. That's all I understood.
So
I
she's
don't
just
know how.
paying by the day?
I think.
Okay.
But I don't think the stuff is.
All right. And just so you know, the young lady that's over there talking to him, she is a police officer, but she's not the one that was involved in this case.
Okay.
Okay? So she's totally unrelated. She's just here to hang out.
help him. Oh,
Yes, and she's in plain clothes, so then he thinks it's just a regular person, not a cop, hanging out with him, and that's why she's here. Okay?
Yeah.
Yeah. Because unfortunately, these situations happen more frequently than you would think. Yeah. So if your son, we could put him inside of your car for now. Unfortunately, there's some paraphernalia in plain view, so we just have to search the vehicle.
Should probably be.
Yeah.
That's all. It's nothing.
Okay.
It's like no crack or coke. It's just gonna be.
Okay.
That much I can honestly say that's the only thing that's.
And that's fine.
But this is what your son wants to do. Your son still wants to play like he's 17, 18, and I don't have the time for it, Renee, at all. Because honestly speaking, when your son was all this other stuff, he should have just left me alone. When he first did what he did and he wanted to know, I'm sorry, let us do this and be a family, he should have just left me alone. If that's what you want to do, go ahead. Don't drag nobody with you. And it's not like it's just me and him. You have your son. So now what are you going to explain to your son? You did another stupid mistake again? It's not the first time you did it. This is the second time. The only difference is this time I'm not pregnant. He's here. So now that's two. At this point, bro, if you don't want me, leave me alone. But your son's problem is you don't want to see me break with somebody else. And that's what the fuck is going to happen. Because now I'm going to have to...
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.